Namaskar. Moringa or drumstick usually is called as a tree which is miraculous. Moringa has 4 times more calcium than milk, 7 times more vitamin C than oranges. Every 100 grams of moringa leaves can give you 6.7 grams of protein, 2.3 grams mineral, 440 milligrams of calcium, 24 milligrams of potassium, 1.7 grams of fat, and 13.4 grams carbohydrate. Let's see 5 amazing health benefits for including moringa in your diet. First, moringa supports heart health because it can lower cholesterol, regulate blood sugar level, and its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can protect the cardiovascular system. Studies have shown that moringa can help lower LDL cholesterol. This LDL cholesterol contributes to plaque built in the arteries. Second, it really benefits if you are trying to lose weight. It is low in calories but high in fiber. This helps you feel full for longer, curbing cravings. And moringa stabilizes your blood sugar level, which prevents energy crashes and overeating. Third, moringa can also be of great help in your beauty regimen. Moringa has vitamin A, which helps in skin cell turnover. It also has vitamin E, which locks in moisture and strengthens the skin barrier, preventing dryness and flakiness. The vitamin C and beta carotene in moringa help neutralize free radicals. These free radicals are responsible for skin aging, like wrinkles, fine lines, and dullness. Moringa also stimulates collagen production, promoting firmer, more youthful skin over time. Let me give you a soothing, all natural Moringa Glow face mask. This mask is packed with antioxidants and vitamins designed to rejuvenate your skin, reduce dark spots, and leave you with radiant glow. You will need 1 tablespoon moringa powder, 1 tablespoon raw honey which is a natural humectant and antibacterial, 1 teaspoon yogurt for gentle exfoliation, few drops of rose water optional. To make this rejuvenating face mask, in a small bowl, mix moringa powder, honey, and yogurt into a smooth paste. Apply the mask over your face and neck and avoid the eye area. Let it sit for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Pat your skin dry and follow with the moisturizer. Use this mask once or twice in a week for glowing and even toned skin. You can also make a DIY moringa anti-aging serum. This face serum nourishes the skin with essential vitamins and antioxidants, combating signs of aging while deeply hydrating your skin. You will need 2 tablespoons moringa oil, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil, 3 to 5 drops of vitamin E oil. Now mix all these ingredients in a small dropper bottle. Shake well before you use and apply few drops on your face and neck after cleansing. Gently massage the serum into the skin using upward motion. Use this serum nightly for deep hydration and minimize wrinkles and fine lines. The next important benefit of moringa is it can relieve body pain. This is because moringa has anti-inflammatory properties which can reduce pain in the body. All you need to do is boil a cup of water, add some moringa leaf powder to it, boil to reduce it to half the quantity and sip little whole day. The fifth health benefit of moringa is it helps in cleaning your liver. Liver performs many important functions like it filters our blood, detoxifies our body chemicals, and metabolizes fat in our body. Moringa can help the liver a lot in performing all these functions. Moringa contains polyphenol, which is of high concentration that reverse oxidation in liver. Preliminary research show that moringa can reduce symptoms of liver fibrosis and protects against liver damage. So don't wait anymore. Include moringa in your diet. Let me give you an amazing recipe to add moringa to your diet. A very nutritious moringa dal. This protein-rich moringa dal is perfect for lunch and dinner. It's comforting, nourishing, packed with flavor. You will need 1 cup tur or moong dal, 1 carrot diced, 1 tomato chopped, 1 tablespoon moringa powder or half cup fresh moringa leaves, 4 cup vegetable broth or water, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon groundnut oil, salt to taste, fresh dhania for garnish, lemon wedges for serving. First, rinse lentil thoroughly under cold water. Heat the groundnut oil in pressure cooker over medium heat. Add carrots and tomatoes to the pot. Cook for few minutes until they soften. Now stir in turmeric, cumin and coriander, allowing them to toast slightly. Add lentils and vegetable broth to cooker. Lentils should be cooked and tender for few whistles. Then stir in moringa powder or fresh moringa leaves. Cook for more 5 minutes. Now season with salt to taste. Adjust the thickness of dal by adding more broth or water if required. Finally, add some lemon juice and garnish with dhania leaves. Moringa is real superfood that can help you in multiple ways, from improving heart health to supporting your liver. So make moringa your choice for all around health. Namaskar.